This farrier's got my horse lamed up.
Is it like I thought? Is it like I remembered? Guy with a big mustache?
Well, I don't know if it's him or you in this
It's
picture.
him! Look at that mustache!
Anybody could have a mustache. You got
Not like
mustache.
that one!
But his bandana's tied different.
Oh, for crying out loud. That's him! Just shoot him! Or take him into jail!
Why don't you get a little closer?
What do you think?
That's him. Nobody looks like
Don't you guys leave town yet?
No, hey.
Deputy,
get
come
me a
here.
horse.
Come here and take a look at this. You think, is that him?
That's him!
Yeah, that's him, all right. That's not me. Well, looks close enough, Sheriff. What's the name on it?
Wanted.
I-O-U.
Is it him?
I'm thinking we gotta get out of this town. I got a lame horse.
Found him?
We walked
Okay.
4.5 miles.
There's a name on this poster. What's your name?
There's what's on that poster?
Well, let's just tell me a name and then
How would I know what's on a poster I never seen?
well, we'll read the
He's
rules.
wanted, dead or alive! Stand back! I'm taking care of him!
Let's get out of here, boys.
Hey guys, come on, don't go anywhere
Oh,
just yet.
this is crazy.
Hey, just hold up.
Hold on!
Hold up. Hold up.
She's no good with guns.
I'm
know.
taking care of him!
Stand back, woman with a gun.
You better let me handle that.
I can handle it, it's my gun!
Oh, let her shoot.
Oh!
Let's
Wait
get
a
out of
second,
here.
it is your gun! It's a little too trigger happy.
Well, it pulls a little to the left.
We're getting
Okay.
out of here.
You guys, come on back. Wait, come on, back this way.
Come on, you guys.
We got your saddle. Well, do you want that?
We got you covered.
We're going. This is crazy. You got a
Wait.
blacksmith and a woman that can't shoot. She shoots her own people. Let's get out of
He
here.
is-
Hey, be good, or we'll have her come over and help you.
There's no reason for any gunplay.
The reward is good even if he's dead, so just shoot him!
Oh, let me shoot.
That's right, Sheriff.
Come on
Dead
back,
or
guys.
alive.
Come back. Come back.
Oh no.
Well, Deputy, you hurt that bad.
She just fainted. She's not dead.
Well,
let's check that poster up close and personal.
Not dead yet.
It's him.
are you sure?
There's, I ain't
Guy
never
laying
seen
on
a
the
mustache
asphalt,
like that before.
What do you folks think? Yeah, that's him.
It's him.
We're rich, honey.
Woohoo!
Hey, I shot him.
California, here we come.
Is that it? Are we all good?
Working on some of their bigger, older tractors. Joe is the engineer, and I think Jack is with him, the old Hardcar 3060. Some of these older tractors, they have a lot of gnarly gears in them, and the gears make more noise than the engine does. But I believe it was Charles Walter Hart and William Henry Parr.
Very complicated piece of machinery here. Geez, hopefully you don't have to change it in one of those inner belts. You'd be at it for a week. Look at those hydraulic lines. It's a spaghetti.
calling the experts.
Yeah. Well, there's your toolbox then. Let's get to work. It's just insane how much complication there is here. Mind blowing. Yeah, that's got some power. Wow, that's got to breathe. Oh, look, Superman. That's cool. Pretty complex. Just don't get crushed. Old pieces of railroad steel. Watch your That's fun.
There for signaling. There are 9 whistle codes that you should know. When you hear that certain blast on the whistle, they're going to stop the work, they're going to start the work. We need still running. Looks like it's either a 1630 or a 2040. Out of the 26 letters in the alphabet, Brumley used about half of those in designating models. Everything from the B2545 to the C4060 at the end. The big square box on the front of the Rumleys, there's plates in there that have oil in them. The exhaust pipe goes into the top of that box and it pulls air in the bottom. The bottom of the box is open. And the thought is hopefully that the air going through helps cool the oil so it doesn't get too hot. But since it does run warmer, it's guaranteed, there's a guarantee on the box that should burn kerosene at all loads without overloading up to its rated capacity. So this is a big 1530 single cylinder. Most of the Rumleys were 2 cylinders, but this big 1530 single cylinder engine. Kennard Haynes was one of the many Minneapolis-based tractor builders, so they called their tractor the Flower City. I think this is one of the bigger ones they made, and this Flower City was actually located in Nebraska. And they were taking it apart, and they were going to haul it away for World War II scrap. But then the war ended, and they said, we don't need your scrap anymore, so it was sitting there all kind of disassembled and forlorn. So Steve and the crew went down there and did their best to gather up all the pieces, brought it back here, and put it together, and it's been a fixture in the parade for many, many years. So pretty good scrap metal rolling through the parade. Another original, this is a Vogel 45. This is before they were updated to the 3060. The big flywheel is in the center. There's one piston ahead and one piston back. And they said that big flywheel and such, it was a very smooth running, balanced engine. This 45 is from 1912. 3570 Minneapolis. Four-cylinder horizontal engine in the 3570. The first ones were rated 4080, but they went through an early Nebraska test, and Nebraska said, you don't have that much, so re-rated to 3570, but there may be ones out there that are still badged as 4080. Lanny Reese has his W oil pull. It's a late one, 1930. It's got the pressed steel frame. It's known as a lightweight. And then towards the end, instead of yellow decals on the airbox, They had red, and the red kind of matches the red accent stripes on the wheels.
Interesting. Dennis, I told you, keep yourself out of trouble. Now what did you do?
I robbed the bank.
Oh no, you'll be in here for a while. Sorry about that. Well, I'll get you a good lawyer.
I needed cash for that root beer.
I know some lawyers. Brainwave testing. Hey, everything's metallic. How do I know this isn't just going to short out?
That's probably how they tested it.
Well, they put the magic crystals in there.
A bunch of little tractors in the parade yesterday.